Welcome back to the Auto Hub. We have something special for all you car enthusiasts out there. Get ready, because we're diving deep into the 2025 Audi SQ8, a powerful and stylish SUV that takes performance and luxury to the next level. If you're into speed, technology, and premium craftsmanship, stick around because this beast has a lot to offer. The 2025 Audi SQ8 is the perfect blend of aggressive styling and high-performance engineering. Under the hood, it packs a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 500-plus horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. That means this SUV isn't just about looks, it's about power. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, you're looking at a 0 to 60 mph time of just around 4 seconds. That's supercar territory, in a luxurious SUV package. Let's talk about design. Audi has truly stepped up the game with the SQ8's refreshed look for 2025. The front grille is bolder, the LED headlights are sharper, and the overall stance is wider, giving it an aggressive yet refined look. The quad exhaust pipes at the rear are a clear statement that this isn't just a regular SUV, it's a performance machine. Inside, the luxury continues. Premium leather seats with diamond stitching, a fully digital 12.3-inch virtual cockpit, and a massive infotainment system make every drive an experience. The interior is not just about comfort, it's about technology too. Audi's latest MMI system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system immerses you in high-quality audio. And let's not forget about the ambient lighting that allows you to set the mood, whether you're cruising at night or pushing the limits on an open road. Safety and tech innovations are also a major highlight of the SQ8. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it not just fast, but also one of the safest SUVs in its class. And if you're worried about handling, Audi's all-wheel steering ensures that this large SUV feels nimble even in tight corners. So, who is this SUV for? Whether you're a speed enthusiast looking for an everyday supercar or someone who wants a high-performance luxury SUV that turns heads, the 2025 Audi SQ8 is a perfect choice. It's fast, it's stylish, and it's packed with the latest technology. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Audi SQ8, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome car content. Let me know in the comments, would you take this beast for a spin? See you in the next one.